Preparing and standardizing 0.1N, normality, hydrochloric acid, HCl, involves two main steps: the preparation of a concentrated HCl solution and the subsequent dilution to achieve the desired normality. Here's a step-by-step guide. Materials and reagents. Concentrated hydrochloric acid, approximately 36% HCl, 1. Distilled water 2. Analytical balance 3. Graduated cylinder or volumetric flask 4. pH meter. Procedure *. Preparation of concentrated HCl solution 1. Measure the required amount of concentrated hydrochloric acid, HCl. Since you want to prepare 0.1 NaHCl, you need to calculate the amount of concentrated HCl needed based on its normality and the desired volume of the final solution. The formula for calculating the volume, V, of concentrated HCl needed is N1V1 equals N2V2, where V1 volume of concentrated HCl needed, N1 equals normality of concentrated HCl, 12N, V2 equals desired volume of the final solution, N2 equals desired final normality. In this case, V1 Be cautious and avoid inhaling the fumes. Use appropriate safety measures and equipment. Dilution to 0.1 NaHCl. In a clean, dry graduated cylinder or volumetric flask, measure the desired volume, V1, of the concentrated HCl solution obtained in step 1. Add distilled water to the same graduated cylinder or volumetric flask to dilute the concentrated HCl solution to the desired final volume. Mix well to ensure homogeneity. If available, measure and record the pH of the diluted solution to check for consistency and ensure it is within the expected range for HCl solutions, typically highly acidic. Standardization 3. To standardize the 0.1 NaHCl solution, you will need a suitable primary standard substance. Add distilled water and a few drops of a suitable indicator to the flask. Titrate the primary standard substance solution with the 0.1 NaHCl solution until the color changes, example, from pink to colorless with phenolphthalein. Record the volume of HCl required for neutralization. Calculate the exact normality, N1, of the where N1 equals normality of HCl, V1 equals volume taken in conical flask, N2 equals normality of sodium carbonate, V2 equals volume consumed by sodium carbonate.